The biting wind whipped through the alley, swirling trash around Sarah's worn shoes. Her stomach growled, a hollow ache mirroring the emptiness in her heart. A brightly lit bakery, Sweet Surrender, beckoned from across the street. Its warm glow contrasted sharply with the chilling darkness Sarah inhabited. Sarah clutched a tattered photograph, her face etched with a faint, hopeful smile. It was a picture of her as a young woman, before life's cruel hand dealt her such a devastating blow. Hesitantly, she pushed open the bakery door, the sweet scent of cinnamon and sugar momentarily lifting her spirits. Agnes, the bakery owner, stood behind the counter, her face a mask of stern disapproval. Agnes's eyes narrowed, her lips pursed into a thin, unkind line. "Nothing for you here," Agnes spat, her voice sharp and dismissive. Her hand gesturing Sarah away. Sarah's shoulders slumped, her gaze dropping to the cracked linoleum floor, tears welled up in her eyes. Her trembling hand tightened around the photograph. Agnes watched Sarah leave, her expression unchanged, seemingly oblivious to the pain she caused. A customer looked on, uncomfortable but silent. That evening, Agnes sat alone in her bakery, cleaning up after closing. The usually cheery space felt heavy and cold. A news report flickered on the silent television, a blurry image of a missing person flashed across the screen. Agnes's hand froze, a sudden chill gripping her heart. The missing person's photo showed a striking resemblance to Sarah, the same kind eyes, the same gentle smile. Agnes remembered the worn photograph Sarah clutched, the detail of a familiar antique clock. It caught her attention. A wave of nausea washed over her. The next day, police arrived at Sweet Surrender, their faces grim. They presented Agnes with the missing persons report, her name Sarah Miller, Agnes's estranged sister. Agnes's face crumpled, tears streamed down her cheeks, replacing her usual hard exterior with raw emotion. She confessed everything. The truth of Agnes's long-forgotten feud with her sister was revealed. She had not recognized Sarah, blinded by years of resentment and bitter anger. Agnes knelt beside Sarah's hospital bed. Sarah, though weak, offered a forgiving smile. A fragile sense of peace settled in the room. Weeks later, Agnes stood outside the bakery, holding a bouquet of sunflowers, Sarah's favorite. Her eyes, once cold and hard, now held a quiet sadness and deep regret. A small plaque hung on the bakery door, reading, "Sweet Surrender, a place of kindness and second chances." The sunlight warmed the sign, offering a promise of healing. Agnes looked up, a single tear rolling down her cheek, a gentle smile, finally genuine, touched her lips. The scent of freshly baked bread mingled with the poignant aroma of forgiveness.